I got to know Marquis first as a student. It was many years ago, but everybody had to pass through my systems modeling course. But that doesn't really tell the whole story, and you don't often get to know all the things that a student is involved in. And Marquis was one of those who was plenty busy outside of Freeman Hall. He was a resident assistant, he was a member of the Student Senate, he was a VP in his fraternity, also served as a president on a Greek council as well as an honor society. So many different things he's doing. Marquis began his career. His involvement with Clemson certainly didn't stop, and he quickly became involved in a number of boards and councils, leading up to now being a member of the executive committee for the Clemson Alumni Association. And he continues to champion the importance of Clemson having a diverse student body. So I think we can all be proud of what he has accomplished. IEs in healthcare is becoming a more common career path, certainly since the 15 years ago when Marquis graduated. But it's important to have early adopters into that path that are successful, and Marquis is a great example of one of those. And so he is creating open doors for future industrial engineering students to go down this path. And it begins because if somebody like Marquis is successful, the people that employ Marquis see that and know that this profession is making a difference, or this discipline is making a difference in the way healthcare delivery is run. Marquis has already had a successful career at Atrium Health and Innova Health System, and this is going to create opportunities for industrial engineers in the future. Some of the types of skills that he's getting to use are the analytics of improving surgical scheduling, quality improvement of healthcare delivery, and clinical value effectiveness. So many different things, and it's through his successes that new opportunities are going to be created. I know several IE alumni that are enjoying successful careers, and I know several IE alumni that pour their hearts into Clemson. And quite honestly, Marquis is one of those that's a standout in both of these categories. If we're able to send students into the world that are respectful, courageous, and competent, yet humble and always willing to learn, then we can look back and say, job well done. Now, I'm sure that Marquis had these characteristics long before he stepped foot onto campus, but he has taken that great character and he uses it to become a light to the people that are in his circle of influence. So this is what I think Clemson University can be proud of, and it's certainly what I desire for all of our Clemson IE graduates. Thank you, Marquis, for giving 4 years of your life to us at Clemson, and now allowing us to share in your lifelong journey of the impact you're having on the world.